Okay, Derek, I saw your email. So I'm missing the win back email series from you. It's in week 9 of the content area within Brightspace. Um, so basically, I want you to create a win back email series of 3 emails in Constant Contact. So the intro says, it sucks to lose customers, especially when 40% of revenue comes from repeat customers. But it's not too late. If customers haven't unsubscribed from your emails, you can regain interest with a win-back email campaign or series. And the goal of the win-back email is to get people to interact with your emails and call to actions again after not having done so for a while. It's a pretty big part of email marketing, is doing a win-back email series. Pose is the company you used for your abandoned cart email. And I only wanted one abandoned cart email, and I think you made 2 or 3 of them, although 2 of them look the same to me. And I'm not sure if you used Constant Contact or not. I can't remember. I got to look at my inbox. But I saw that you submitted stuff into Brightspace, but I actually just wanted you to send it to my Yahoo email from Constant Contact. But anyways, the Winback email series is made up of 3 separate emails. And we're not worrying about a timeline, but basically a lot of times when you do make these series, you might do one within 1 hour, 7 days, and then 14 days. So you'll have 3 emails, and they're all different. The emails are all a little bit different. So the first email should contain a discount. It doesn't have to be a discount code. You can also offer bonus gift, free shipping, free upgrades, extra reward points, sweepstake prizes, free consultation. And then the second email should just remind them of the discount. And then offer them some personalized recommendations based on their past purchases. So you'll just have to get creative and make a few recommendations up. Increase your discount amount. So the third email, you just increase the discount amount just to try and get them to buy from you. And then make a sense of urgency. So 24 to 48 hours, it will expire. So that's the 3 emails. That's what they should contain. They can look similar, but they just need to have a little bit different messages in them. Don't worry too much about the email list. Just make sure you send it to my personal email, marymaryward@yahoo.com. Another thing, call to action, body copy, a logo at the top, which would be clickable to the company you chose. Fonts and colors matching the company you chose. Use Photoshop, Canva, Illustrator, any software of your choosing to create at least one interesting graphic for the inside of your email. So it has to be either a PNG or JPEG if you're going to use those. The graphic that you make, just export it out as a PNG or JPEG and use that within Constant Contact within the body of your email. And then just update the footer. Make sure you have your organization name in the footer of the email, physical email address. Update the subject line and pre-header. Catchy subject line. Support the CTA. You can include offers in your subject line because that'll get people to click and actually read your email. I'm hoping for slightly different subject lines and pre-header sections for each of the 3 emails. So you'll have to change them up a little bit. So here's some examples of some win-back emails. They're not series. I don't know if I included series, but we haven't heard from you lately, but we'd love to. Let's make up. Enjoy $10 off. Enter code blah blah blah. Checkout. Shop now. There's the CTA call to action in this email, and the offer. Of course, yours is going to look a little different. You just need to make sure that you're hitting all your marks by reading through this project number 4 in week 9. The content area of week 8 has, the link to the Constant Contact 60-day free trial right up here in week 8. So this video walks you through creating Constant Contact account and creating email test list, which you don't have to worry too much about doing the email test list. You have to verify your email with Constant Contact using graphics in the drag and drop email creator. So I'm actually constructing the email. We did this in class. I'm not sure if you were there that day, but and then designing the email using Constant Contact drag and drop email editor, which is basically constructing the email inside of same kind of thing. I'm still designing in this video, and then at this video I'm doing the email title and pre-header, and then email footer, the subject line, and then sending. So this goes through all of that, how to send it and everything. So you would watch that video. It would probably do you good to watch these videos just on how to log in, how to create the email in Constant Contact, how to send it out, that kind of thing, if you're confused about that. But I went and looked at your grades, and I haven't graded it yet because you sent me an abandoned cart email. You have stuff in here. Of course, I didn't really want anything in here. I mostly just wanted you to send me the emails, which you might have. I have them over here. I just don't know if I have one from you in my inbox. So I'm not sure if you sent it to me. Who's it from? And I did look at these, and it looked like I thought some of them. I was a little bit confused because there's more than 3 of them in here. But anyway, hopefully I cleared up some of the questions you had. Okay, so this looks good. I mean, I just don't know if you used Constant Contact or if you used Canva to make this, maybe. Which might be okay, I guess. But with your Winback series, maybe... And I think these two are the same, basically. I think there's like 2 designs that are exactly the same. They're just different file types. I'll have to look at them again, but first abandoned cart, second abandoned cart, then final abandoned cart. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at this again. There's 6 files in here, so I got a little bit confused. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I mostly just wanted you to send it to me. Like if I show you, here's one from, Marshall, he made this, he's got the ratings in here, and then, so this is Erica's PetSmart. She created this graphic in InDesign, I think. And then she kind of, she updated the stuff down here in the header or the footer. This is Lane's. So she created this graphic. I'm not quite sure which program she used to create this graphic, but then she has like a clickable logo here. Complete your order now, and then she has the offer here. This is the abandoned cart email, by the way, but so the Winback series, I don't really have that many Winback email series. I think I only got some from, oh, here's yours. Okay. Although these are abandoned cart. So you made a series out of the abandoned cart, which I only wanted 1. That's why I'm a little, I don't know, and I think these 2 are the same. So anyway, you'll get credit for your abandoned cart email, but like for your Winback series, I was hoping you'd do 3 of those. And then I think you're missing the Adobe Animate. Should be pretty easy, really pretty straightforward, I would think. Just because I created videos that walk you through how to do all of it. I mean, it's about probably an hour worth of video watching. But you should be able to watch the videos and then just download either this PDF document of the book and then open that up on your phone. Like I just put it on my phone, and then I do it on my computer. the Adobe Animate. And if you're having trouble getting the software, I can send you an email how to get the software with this link in it. But basically, week 13 has videos that, here's the book, PDF of the book, or just a Google Doc of the book. And then you'll have to download these files to complete the lesson. And then if you just watch these videos, you should be able to do this in like an hour or two, maybe at the most. It's not super time consuming. But anyway, I think that's about where you're at. You just need to get the Win-Back series. And then use the same company that you did before for that and just read through it in week 8, or I think it's week 8. And then your Adobe Animate is another thing that you need to work on, and you just need to watch the videos, follow directions, download this book on your phone, and then just complete it. Just go along with the book. It shouldn't be too hard, too time consuming either, really. And then we're going to start the next Adobe Animate lesson, and that'll be due this coming next Sunday. So anyway, I'm going to send you an email with directions on how to download the Adobe software if you don't have it at home. I'm not sure if you have it or not. So anyway, hope you're staying healthy, and hopefully this video is helpful for you. Thanks. Bye.